In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup or download Google Workspace. We'll walk through using the Google Admin Console's built-in data export tool so you can securely download a copy of your organization's data. This is designed for Workspace administrators, so make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right admin privileges. Start by opening the Admin Console in your browser and signing in with your admin account. You'll land on the home dashboard. If you manage multiple domains or organizational units, confirm you're in the right admin context before you proceed, since the export will reflect the data available to your organization. From the Admin Console homepage, look for the section labeled Data. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top and type Data. This area brings together tools that help you manage and safeguard the information stored across Google services in your Workspace environment. Inside the Data section, select Data Export. This is the feature that packages your organization's data from core services like Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Contacts, and more into a downloadable archive. Think of it as a point-in-time snapshot. Google creates the export in the background and provides secure links when it's ready. Because this can be a large job, timing varies based on the size of your organization's data. You'll receive an email notification when the archive is prepared, along with instructions to access it. Keep in mind that an export is typically available for a limited window, so plan your download and storage ahead of time. Before you can begin, there are two important requirements. First, the admin account that initiates the export must be at least 80 days old. This helps prevent misuse and ensures the account has an established history. If your admin account is newer, wait until it meets the age requirement or use an older admin account that already qualifies. Second, two-step verification must be enabled on the initiating admin account. This extra layer of security protects your organization's data during the export process. If you're unsure whether two-step verification is on, check your security settings and confirm it before proceeding. Once you're in the data export page and your account meets the requirements, review the on-screen details and follow the prompts to start the export. While the export runs, avoid making major account changes that could affect access. When the email arrives, download the archive to a secure location, verify the contents, and store it according to your organization's data retention and compliance policies. That's it. With the Admin Console's data export, you can confidently back up or download your Google Workspace data in a secure, auditable way.